Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. XRP leads crypto weekend gains, fueled by surging open interest. Next, 3 reasons why Ethereum will hit $10,000 next bull cycle. Also, U.S. Bitcoin ETFs raked in $1.1 billion this week, most since mid-July. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline: XRP leads crypto weekend gains, fueled by surging open interest. XRP shows strength against the US dollar as open interest surges. Is a move beyond $1 realistic? XRP price was up 5% to trade at 0.6278 cents on September 29th. This is part of a prevailing recovery that began on September 6th and has seen the remittance token rise more than 10% over the last 30 days, fueled by a significant increase in its open interest. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView shows XRP rose from a low of 0.5027 cents on September 6th, climbing as much as 26% to an intraday high of 0.6335 cents on September 29th. The total crypto market capitalization is up 0.4% to $2.29 trillion. As such, XRP price performance over the last 24 hours has seen it become the 3rd highest gainer among the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market value. Traders are increasingly betting on XRP to see significant price movements. XRP has shown significant price movements with predictions and immediate targets around 66 cents, declared crypto YouTuber Rajiv Anand in a September 29th post on X. XRP could see a substantial increase, aiming for targets like $2 or even much higher figures like $4.20 or $9.98, due to bullish patterns observed in its chart. Anand explained that the market sentiment around XRP has been largely positive. Analysts point to formations like a breakout from a symmetrical triangle, a golden cross, and other bullish indicators suggesting strong momentum for further XRP price increases. XRP's price action on the weekly time frame reveals a bullish breakout from a symmetrical triangle that has persisted since 2020. A sustained rally above this chart formation could see XRP price rise toward the bullish target of the prevailing chart pattern at $2. The anticipation is fueled by several technical signals indicating a robust bullish trend, Anand added. One of these indicators is the Relative Strength Indicator, or RSI, which has sent a rare bullish signal on the monthly chart. According to pseudonymous analyst JD_757, the analyst shared the following chart in a September 29th post. RSI is peaking above the 7-year trend line. If we close above next week, this will be the most bullish thing to happen in the last 7 years. Meanwhile, another crypto analyst, Captain Fabic, told his over 96,000 followers on X that the XRP price had completed and broken out of the falling wedge, confirming a massive breakout for the token's price toward $3.90. However, they set the short-term target to $2.30. XRP open interest hits 5-month high. The surge in the price of Ripple's XRP on September 29th comes after a significant jump in its open interest, or OI. Open interest is a key metric that traders and analysts use to assess market sentiment and anticipate future price movements. XRP's IO started rising on September 7th, rising approximately 67% to reach $932.3 million on September 29th, in tandem with the price. The last time XRP's open interest reached these levels was on April 12, 2024. Note that when prices rise along with an increase in OI, that is often indicative of a trend that is probably going to continue. Additional data from CoinGlass reveals increasing demand for leveraged long positions in XRP over the last few days, as indicated by the perpetual futures funding rate. Note that the current 0.0113% 8-hour rate translates to a 0.23% cost over a 7-day period, which is significant for traders building futures positions. Increasing funding rates typically suggest that futures traders are bullish, expecting future price increases, which may indicate a continuation of the uptrend. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline: 3 reasons why Ethereum will hit $10,000 next bull cycle. Bullish fractals, long-term technical patterns, and favorable macroeconomic trends could boost ETH's price to $10,000 by 2025. Ethereum's native token, Ether, looks poised to grow toward $10,000 in the coming months, according to a mix of bullish fundamental and fractal indicators. 2023 to 2024 price fractal hints at more ETH price upside. The first compelling reason behind Ethereum's $10,000 target is its resemblance to a previous price fractal between January 2023 and March 2024, according to Julian Bittel, head of macro research at Global Macro Investor. The 2023 to 2024 fractal, black, saw the ETH price consolidate between $1,500 and $2,000 before breaking out to $3,500. The current price action, red line, closely follows this pattern, mirroring the earlier consolidation phase. Ethereum could see a bullish breakout if the price continues to move in the same direction and with the same momentum as witnessed between January 2023 and March 2024. Bittel showcases $10,000 as an achievable year-end target for Ether bulls. Another Fib analysis points to a $10,000 Ethereum. The second key catalyst behind Ether's ability to reach $10,000 comes from another fractal comprising a long-term Fibonacci retracement graph, exponential moving averages, or EMA, and relative strength index, or RSI, on Ethereum's weekly chart. Historically, ETH's price action shows similarities between the 2017 and 2018 and 2020 to 2021 bull runs, where sharp corrections followed parabolic growth. In the current setup, if ETH follows a similar trajectory, a rally from its 2022 low of $1,080 puts the 1.618 Fibonacci extension at $6,978 and the 2.618 extension at $10,623. Ethereum's weekly chart shows it attempting to reclaim the 50-week EMA, currently around 2,749, while the 200-week EMA at 2,104 has historically marked the bottom of major corrections. Meanwhile, the RSI is neutral at 46, far from overbought, suggesting room for further upside if momentum shifts. If Ether reclaims key levels and momentum strengthens, it could hit targets like 6,978 and possibly 10,623, following historical fractal patterns and technical indicators. M2 money supply growth bodes well for Ether. The third reason for Ethereum's potential $10,000 price is broader macroeconomic trends, specifically global M2 money supply. As shown in the second chart, Bitcoin's price has historically moved with M2 money supply growth changes from major central banks like the Federal Reserve, the European Central Bank, and the Bank of Japan. From 2011 to 2020, Bitcoin saw massive price gains during periods of aggressive M2 expansion, benefiting from inflationary concerns and increased liquidity. While 2022 saw M2 growth contract, 2024 shows early signs of a reversal as central banks ease monetary policies in response to economic uncertainties. Since Bitcoin and Ethereum share a positive correlation, a renewed boom in Bitcoin's price amid global liquidity expansion could also lift Ethereum, making $10,000 a realistic target. Our next top headline, U.S. Bitcoin ETFs raked in $1.1 billion this week, most since mid-July. BlackRock ARK21 shares and Fidelity's Bitcoin products led the way with $499 million, $289.5 million, and $206.1 million in inflows, respectively. Spot Bitcoin Exchange-Traded Funds, or ETFs, based in the United States have raked in more than $1.1 billion since September 23rd, the largest week of inflows since July 15th to 19th. According to Farside Investors, it included $494.4 million on September 27th, the best performing day since June 4th. Spot Bitcoin ETFs saw inflows of $366 million on September 26th. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, the ARK21 Shares Bitcoin ETF, and the Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund led weekly flows with $499 million, $289.5 million, and $206.1 million, respectively. The Invesco and Galaxy, Franklin Templeton, Valkyrie, and VanEck Bitcoin funds saw inflows between $5.7 million and $33.3 million, while the Wisdom Tree Bitcoin Fund didn't record any inflows during the week. The latest inflows bring aggregate inflows for the 11 spot ETFs combined to $18.8 billion since they launched in January. The rise in spot Bitcoin ETF flows follows the U.S. Federal Reserve's interest rate cut on September 18th. Since then, Bitcoin has rallied 13.8% to $65,800, CoinGecko data shows. The cryptocurrency is now only 10.8% off its all-time high price of $73,738 set on March 14th. With the fourth quarter about to kick off, Bitcoin has recorded gains of 50% or higher in Q4 of 5 of the last 9 years, CoinGlass data shows. Meanwhile, U.S. spot Ether ETFs recorded $85 million in inflows this week, making it their biggest week since August 5th to 9th. Since launching on July 23rd, the Ethereum products have seen inflows of a little more than $1.1 billion, factoring in the $2.9 billion in outflows from Grayscale Ethereum Trust. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.